Hello and welcome to G Fun Facts Online. When you think of a cave, what comes to mind? Darkness? Echoes? Maybe a few bats? For most of us, caves seem like empty, lifeless voids. But what if I told you that beneath our feet lies a hidden universe, teeming with bizarre and wonderful creatures, many of which are completely new to science? Today, we're going spelunking into the strange world of subterranean evolution. Life underground is a completely different ballgame. There's no sun, so forget about vision. It's useless. The temperature and humidity are incredibly stable, a cozy refuge from the wild weather on the surface. But there's a catch. There's almost no food. Ecosystems here often survive on whatever washes in from the outside world, like bits of leaves, or, famously, bat guano. So how does life cope? It gets creative. Creatures that live their entire lives in caves, called troglobites, often evolve to have no eyes and no skin pigment. Why waste energy on things you don't need? Instead, they become masters of their other senses. They develop long, spidery limbs and antennae covered in receptors, allowing them to feel, taste, and smell their way through the pitch-black darkness. And to deal with the food shortage, they've evolved super slow metabolisms, becoming models of energy efficiency. This unique environment is also a perfect laboratory for evolution. The key ingredient for creating a new species is isolation, and caves are the ultimate isolation chambers, like islands floating in a sea of solid rock. Imagine a species living on the surface that also ventures into a few nearby caves. If a climate change event wipes out the surface population, the groups left in each cave are now totally cut off from each other. Over thousands of years, they evolve independently, eventually becoming entirely new, distinct species. But here's where it gets truly mind-bending. Because the challenges in different caves are so similar, darkness, no food, unrelated species often evolve the same solutions. This is called convergent evolution. The result is something scientists call cryptic species. These are creatures that might look completely identical to their cousins in a neighboring cave. But when you look at their DNA, you realize they are as different as a lion is from a tiger. They are hidden species, hiding in plain sight. For decades, we had no idea how much diversity was really down there because we were just using our eyes. But now, with tools like DNA sequencing, we can read their genetic code. It's like being a detective uncovering hidden family trees. What we once thought was a single species spread across many caves has often turned out to be a whole complex of dozens of unique species, each with its own incredible evolutionary story. So why should we care about some eyeless fish or a pigment-free insect? Because these creatures are an irreplaceable part of our planet's biodiversity. Many are endemic, meaning they exist in only one cave system on the entire planet. This makes them incredibly vulnerable. Pollution from farms and cities can seep into the groundwater and poison their homes. Quarrying and construction can destroy their habitats entirely. These fragile worlds are in danger, and we are still just scratching the surface. The exploration is far from over. In 2023, an expedition in Brazil's Agua Clara cave system found 10 new species. The first ever scientific cave explorations are just beginning in Bhutan, with scientists expecting to find a wealth of new life. And just recently in Alabama, a completely new genus and species of eyeless silverfish was discovered. Each discovery proves how much is left to learn. Caves aren't empty spaces. They are cradles of evolution, hiding a stunning diversity of life that has adapted in the most remarkable ways. By studying these creatures of the dark, we learn about the fundamental processes that create new species. They are a testament to life's resilience and a reminder of the hidden wonders our planet still holds. The more we explore the darkness, the more we illuminate our own understanding of the world. Thanks for listening to G Fun Facts Online.